Here we are, 2004 Arctic 300. It has a misfire when it's running. When you turn the lights on, the misfire goes away. Takes a bit to warm up. Turn the lights on. I'll turn the lights off. Lights back on. Lights off. Alright. Tried changing the ignition switch. I put a new switch in. I was thinking that was a problem. That ain't it. Checked a bunch of wires. I got a few more wires to check. The coil seems to test okay, but I'm gonna try a different one just in case. I put a new plug in. The next thing would be maybe the stator plate. I don't know. Never heard of nothing like that. Neither has the mechanics I've been talking to. We'll let you know how it goes after more testing.